We are back here at Advanced Medicine and Aesthetics in Johnson City, and we have talked a lot about hormone replacement therapy, but today we're going to meet someone who specifically knows that this has really changed her life. We are here with Brooke Bentley, and Brooke, thanks so much for having us out.
Thanks for being here, Amy.
It's always nice to hear from someone who has a personal story, and that's sort of what we're doing today.
Yes, this is Jeannie. She's been our patient for several years. And when she came to us, she was just having some problems. She didn't feel like herself. She had been diagnosed with osteopenia and osteoporosis, and she was having a lot of night sweats.
And you decided to come and you were working on some things, and you say when they figured it out, it just changed your life.
Yes, it definitely did that. I've told Brooke I would be her poster child for hormone replacement, so I guess this is my chance. And it did the obvious things that you would expect for a natural hormone replacement. I feel better, I sleep better, you know, I just have more energy. But the most amazing thing was the improvements it made in my bone density. When I received that diagnosis of osteoporosis, I was not happy about that. That was not a diagnosis I was happy to hear, but I just thought it would be something I would have to just learn to manage and live with. And so we started the pellets for the natural replacement, not expecting a result like that. The obvious things came, but when I went back a couple of years later and had a bone density test, I was amazed at the difference. My doctor was amazed. He said he had seen people that were able to stabilize it, but had not seen anyone that was able to reverse it.
Wow.
So I can't say enough good things about the bioidentical hormone replacement.
And you've actually heard of this happening a couple of times where it will actually have those side effects that can help in other areas.
Yes, there's actually studies out that show with the estradiol and testosterone hormone pellets how it can increase bone density scores and reverse that.
Wow, and I know with pellets you've had just amazing success, and people really like the convenience of the pellets.
They do, you know, they're great. They last anywhere from 4 to 7 months, so you don't have to worry about putting on a cream each night. And they just really reverse the signs and symptoms of menopause, and so women really do enjoy them.
And do you look back, Jenny, and just think about the way your life used to be and compare it to the way it is now?
Oh, I do. I think the sleeping better, I think that's probably a key to a lot of it, not having those night sweats. And then also knowing that it's making my bones stronger. I mean, it changes your whole outlook.
And you hear that from a lot of patients, right, Brooke?
We do, yes.
Well, certainly for more information on hormone replacement therapy, you can stop by here or you can call their office right here in Johnson City. It is Advanced Medicine and Aesthetics. And Jenny, we thank you so much for sharing your story.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by